Okay, YouTube, Vermont Prepper here again. Gonna take you through, this first time I'm using my winch in my M101A2 trailer. As you can see, I have a temporary battery hooked up right there, regular car battery, hooked up to the 3,500 pound Champion winch. And if you see another video on how I mounted it, I'll just go over it very basic here. Stainless steel L bracket that you see right there, or L plate. You see the hitch mount right there that's bolted through the bed and also bolted in the frame with grade 8 bolts. And it's a 3,500 pound capability. And what I'm going to do today is load up my 300 pound solar battery box that's inside a Stanley toolbox. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to get it all hooked up, and you'll get to see it work the first time that I do. Okay, I have my ramps hooked up, and you see the battery box right there. It's like an obstacle course getting from my apartment through here. Sort of out of breath. You see this guy's doing some work on the deck there. So it's pretty crazy. It took me about 10 minutes just to get it from the apartment. This thing cost me about 3,500 bucks to build. And I'll be really upset if something happens to it. I probably should have somebody holding it from the rear, but I'm by myself at the moment. Let's try it. Here we go. I'm going to pause it there for 1 second and straighten it out. Don't like the way that's going. I'm going to have to straighten it out again. One more time. This is pretty stupid of me. I'm going to continue. Wheels keep turning. Almost home free. Looks like I made it, guys. That was probably the dumbest thing I ever did, but it worked. Really handy to come in. I mean, comes in really handy. Alright, I think that's good enough for right now for this video. Again, don't try this at home. I'm just going to leave it hooked up to here until I put in my storage unit. And I'll just straighten it out and keep it on the winch a little bit closer. But this thing works pretty good. I'll be able to move a lot of stuff up into this trailer using this. Definitely the off-road tires, great to have. I recommend them for anything. If you're building a moving dolly or whatever you're building, definitely something to consider. From I'm Prepper out, and as always, keep prepping. Like, subscribe.